So before we go ahead and start learning how to play a groove with a Guiro pattern, it's probably a good idea if we look in more detail as to what a Guiro really is. So it's effectively just a scraper which is made from a hollowed out gourd of some description. And we have one here. This is a traditional Cuban Guiro. So as you can see, it's just really handmade, not made in a factory and mass produced. Just really sort of authentic. Not very loud, it's quite a soft sort of delicate sound because it's so thin. You know, it literally is just a hollowed out gourd, so you're not going to get much projection from it. There are also companies who started making synthetic Guiros like LP, like Meinl, I think Pearl make one as well. And this is for use in salsa bands when you need more projection. They made these synthetic Guiros which are made of hard plastic, and obviously these project far more. To remind you how a Guiro sounds when you play it, when you play the sort of traditional Chachacha Guiro pattern, let's check out the demo I did in the first lesson from this module. So if we assess this pattern, we have a long quarter note and then a pair of short staccato eighth notes. When we were previously replicating this on the hi-hat, we weren't doing the eighth notes, we were just doing continuous quarter notes, weren't we? We were doing long, short, long, short. The long notes, the legato notes, we were sort of clapping the hi-hats together, and then the staccato notes, we were closing the hi-hat with the tip of our foot. It was like a heel-toe technique. So if we were following that same idea of long notes with a clapped hi-hat, short notes with a chick hi-hat with the toes, but we took this same rhythm, the quarter eighths thing, it will sound like this.